Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na user ID controlled by request parameter with unpredictable user IDs. So this lab has, again, a horizontal privilege escalation vulnerability on the user account page. But it identifies users with GUIDs, no? So hindi na natin pwedeng palitan yung username parameter katulad nung ginawa lang natin sa last video. So to solve the lab, again, find the GUID for Carlos, then submit his API key as the solution. So you can log into your own account using Winner Peter. So ngayon, tignan natin yung lab, and let's try to log in as Winner and Peter. So Winner Peter. And see here na, again, we have the username and API key. And yung ID natin ngayon is a GUID na hindi natin kayang hulaan. So, one of the main things na when we look at a web application is tignan natin yung mga contents niya. No? So, hindi lang simple yung mga ibang functionalities. So, if we look down here, meron tayong mga iba-ibang users. No? So, Andy Trick, Ama Richman, and another thing. So, try natin ngayon maghanap ng post or comment ni Carlos. No? So, try natin yon. Here. We have seen na may post si Carlos, no? And if we take a look at the profile ni Carlos, makikita mo na meron siyang user ID dito, no? So, meaning, ito yung user ID ni Carlos. So, now, we can use this sa my account and change the ID value here to dun sa GUID na nahanap natin and hit enter. And now, na-access na natin yung account ni Carlos and we obtained his API key which we will submit as a solution para ma-solve natin yung lab. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo yung ginawa sa video na to and see you in the next video.